What challenges does space colonization face today? What challenges does space colonization face today? This is a question that many are asking as we look to the stars for future human habitation. Let's break down some of the key obstacles that need to be addressed. First, we must consider radiation exposure. Unlike Earth, which has a thick atmosphere and magnetic field to protect us, the Moon and Mars lack this shielding. This means that colonists face higher risks of cancer and other health issues due to cosmic and solar radiation. To combat this, habitats need to be built with thick, radiation-resistant walls or even placed underground for natural protection. Next, there is the challenge of resource availability and sustainability. Water, oxygen, and food are essential for life, but they are scarce on the Moon and Mars. Transporting these resources from Earth is expensive and not practical for long-term living. Therefore, technologies for in situ resource utilization are vital. This means finding ways to extract and process local materials, such as mining ice deposits for water and oxygen, and developing methods for growing food in space. Another significant issue is the effects of reduced gravity on human health. The Moon has about 1/6 of Earth's gravity, while Mars has roughly 1/3. Prolonged exposure to low gravity can lead to muscle atrophy, bone density loss, and cardiovascular problems. To address this, specially designed exercise regimes and research into artificial gravity technologies, like rotating habitats, are being explored. Technological and engineering challenges also play a major role. Building safe, self-sufficient habitats in harsh environments requires advanced technology. This includes life support systems, energy generation, waste recycling, and reliable transportation. Innovations in robotics, automation, and in space manufacturing are essential for constructing and maintaining infrastructure without constant supplies from Earth. Legal and governance issues are another area of concern. As various nations and private companies plan for space settlements, questions arise about property rights and conflict resolution. Currently, international space law does not provide clear guidelines for managing settlements and resource use on celestial bodies. Establishing cooperative legal frameworks is necessary to prevent disputes and ensure responsible colonization. Psychological and social challenges cannot be overlooked either. Long-duration missions and living in isolated environments can pose mental health risks. The dynamics of social interactions, cultural differences, and governance models will significantly influence the success of space communities. Planning for psychological support and community building is essential. Lastly, we must consider the cost and economic viability of space colonization. The investment required for technology development, transportation, and infrastructure is enormous. Reducing launch costs and creating sustainable economic models, such as mining or manufacturing in space, are ongoing challenges that need to be addressed. Environmental and ethical considerations are also critical. Protecting extraterrestrial environments from contamination and addressing the ethical implications of colonization are important. Responsible exploration involves minimizing ecological impact and reflecting on humanity's role beyond Earth. Addressing these challenges requires a multidisciplinary approach that combines innovation in space technology, international cooperation, legal frameworks, and research into human factors. Progress in these areas will be essential for establishing a permanent and sustainable human presence beyond Earth.